to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I deep condition my hair using this Originals hair mayonnaise. So I haven't washed my hair as yet. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be back to show you the deep conditioning process. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, welcome back, guys. So that's the consistency of the conditioner. My hair is very tangled. How it got to this point, I do not know. Right, my hair is very tangled. I'm gonna be applying a whole lot of conditioner because I won't be breaking out my hair while detangling it. So if my hair was not so tangled, I would not be applying the deep conditioner like this. I would have actually like detangled it first, but I didn't. Just to let you know, all I did was like shampoo my hair, so I have not yet. I didn't condition it. So if you're gonna deep condition your hair, you don't need to put conditioner and then put deep conditioner or deep conditioner. You could just do it once. Please forgive me if I'm using deep conditioner with hair mayonnaise interchangeably. I just consider the two of them the same thing. So yeah, I'm just applying a whole lot of conditioner to my hair. As I mentioned, it's really tangled, so we need to massage that in so that we'd be able to comb it through easily. I'm using a wide tooth comb. For some reason, this comb just seems very hard to use, so I'm gonna be using my other comb, which is it's a little smaller, but it's easier to handle. It's easier to use when I'm combing out my hair. So I'm just putting it into sections, and even though I have already applied a lot of conditioner to my hair, I will be adding more nonetheless, because that's the whole point of the deep conditioning, is to apply a lot of conditioner so it could actually like soak into your hair, hence promoting elasticity, which is needed especially when detangling. So I'm going in section by section, adding more conditioner or hair mayonnaise, and just taking my time to comb it through from the ends to the root. Especially with being this tangled, you can't take any chances doing it any other way because you don't want to break out your hair. At this point, my hair is fully detangled, and I'm just going through again, sectioning it off and adding more hair mayonnaise to it because I want my hair to be loaded with hair mayonnaise. And previously I was just using it to pretty much detangle my hair. Now I'm really like putting it in so it's soaked into the roots, to the shaft, to the ends, everywhere just needs to be soaked with the mayonnaise. So the $1 million question that you might be asking is, Camille, why should I deep condition my hair? I usually condition my hair after I shampoo it. That should be good enough, right? Well, no. So moisture is the key to a healthy head of hair. Deep conditioning your hair helps to replace moisture from everyday wear and tear. Without moisture, your hair actually becomes dry, brittle, and make it more prone to breakage and split ends. So taking it a step further by deep conditioning does make a difference. This is where the magic happens. So after applying the deep conditioner to your hair, you do need to cover your hair. You can use a cling wrap, as I'm using right here, a shower cap, or even a plastic bag. Then you'll need to add some heat. To add the heat, you can wrap a damp towel around your head, or you can use a blow dryer or even an overhead dryer. This opens up the cuticle and allows for the deep conditioner to really penetrate your hair. The reason we add heat to this process is that the heat actually allows for the hair shaft to swell up and the cuticles to open and allow the conditioner inside by promoting elasticity. The prime purpose of deep conditioning is to improve your hair, to make it more strong and more resilient. So when you're all that pulling and tugging, the deep conditioner helps your hair to be able to stretch in a sense, right? And in the long term, if your hair is able to stretch, that means it's not going to break, which then helps your hair to keep long and healthy, you know? So that's the whole purpose of adding the heat. I kept the deep conditioner in my hair for about 30 minutes after using the blow dryer, and this is what it looks like now. My hair is all washed out now, and I do not recommend washing your hair immediately after taking off the cling wrap. You could wait for like 10 minutes just for your hair to cool down a bit. Now I'm just going with this Zemi Thermal Boost. I always use this in my hair after I wash my hair. It makes the hair really easy to comb through. And now I'm just using the olive oil hair moisturizer. I always use this as well. This is just to add some more moisture to my hair and soften my hair a bit as well. I will be blow drying my hair today, so I'm gonna add some heat protectant to my hair because I don't want that heat damaging my hair. So yeah. Guys, so I was just editing the video and I was thinking to myself that I was gonna voice over to tell you what my hair looks like now. It's been 3 days since I've recorded the video, so I'm just getting a chance to edit it and all that. So I just wanted to show you guys, instead of telling you what my hair looks like and how it feels. Guys, my hair feels incredible. My hair smells so good. Like, it's just unbelievable. I would love for you to try this out and let me know what you think about it for your hair. So this is just what my hair looks like right now. So does deep conditioning actually grow your hair? It does not really promote growth to an extent, right? What it does is when you're alternating your deep conditioning sessions between moisture and protein, these will actually help your hair. It will keep your hair soft, strong, and nourished. Hence, it minimizes breakage. When your hair is not breaking, it's aiding in growth, right? And keeping your length retention. So it seems as if your hair is growing. Now I'm just adding some hair polish to my hair so it doesn't look so dull. It has like a little sheen and some dimension there, you know? If you've been keeping up with my channel, you know how much I praise this castor oil. So it's just Jamaican castor oil. It's not a specific brand or anything. I just got this from the local man in the market. So it's just Jamaican castor oil. And also I'll be using this tea tree oil mixed, no, I think it's rosemary. It's rosemary oil mixed with Jamaican castor oil. So this is very strong. I can't use a lot of this in my hair because it will irritate my head and makes my head hurt me. So I'm just using a little bit of that on my fingertips to just massage my scalp, massage both the castor oils into my scalp. This is what will promote growth. That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!